Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and my friends call me Miss DeWalt. In this video, I'll be showing you the 16-inch DeWalt cordless chainsaw. The model number is DCCS670. The DeWalt FLEXVOLT cordless brushless chainsaw provides up to 70 cuts per charge while cutting through 6x6 inch pressure treated pine wood. The 16-inch bar and chain has a low kickback that helps in cutting large limbs, logs, and thick beams. It's easy to adjust and get the ideal bar clamping force with the help of a tool-free chain tensioning and bar chain tightening knobs are right here in the front. It's auto oiling for continuous lubrication, and now DeWalt has its own line of biodegradable bar and chain oil. See my Amazon link in the description of this video, or there is another full video I already posted going over the attributes of this. I'm also currently working on a behind the scenes lab test video where we compared this with the competitors, and I hope to have that edited and live on my channel soon. There is a quarter turn oil cap for quick oil refills, and here's a helpful hint, and I didn't know this the first time I added oil to mine. The cap does display some of the oil in the well, so make sure you don't fill it to the very top. Now there is a level indicator right here on the front to let you know when you're getting low and you need to refill. This particular chainsaw is powered by a 60-volt battery with enhanced runtime. The chain brake front hand guard is provided for kickback protection. It has a variable speed trigger as well as a lock here that you'll need to press both of them at the same time. That's just for added safety. If you purchase this as a kit, it contains the brushless chainsaw, the battery, a battery charger, and a hard bar scabbard cover. Here are some of the fine details about this chainsaw. It has a 3/8 inch chain pitch and a chain speed of 15.24 MPS. It has 56 drive links and the torque max is 3.9. It weighs 12.2 pounds and measures approximately, overall, including the bar to the back of the very body of the chainsaw, it looks to be about 34 inches. And then in width from the widest part, which is the handle, it looks to be about 10 inches. And then in height, and then the highest point, which appears to be where that chain brake is, it's about 9 inches, 9 1/8, somewhere in that range. It has a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. I'm going to take it outside now and demonstrate its power with a few cuts. If you're interested in purchasing this product or any of the others offered by any of my affiliates, Ace, Acme Tools, Amazon, or ToolNut, please check out the links in the description of this video. You can expect to pay around $369 for the kit or around $269 for the bare tool by itself. I've seen them in that range, give or take. If there's anything I forgot to cover that you'd like to know, please leave it for me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see future videos here on YouTube. Also, I am on TikTok and Instagram. Please look me up there as well. As always, I thank you so much for watching. And until next time, take care.